Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to walk slowly in Roblox. On Windows 11 PC, a simple trick that's perfect for roleplay and smooth character movement. Now let's get started. Step 1, first launch Roblox on your Windows 11 PC and join any game world you like. This step is important because you need to be inside a game to access movement settings and see how your character normally moves at full speed. Step 2, once you are in the game, press the ESD key on your keyboard to open the game menu. From here, click on Settings, which is usually shown with a gear icon, because this is where all control and movement options are located. Step 3, inside the Settings menu, carefully look for the option called Movement Mode. This setting controls how your character moves in the game, and is usually set to keyboard movement by default. Step 4, now change the movement mode from keyboard movement to click to move. This option allows your character to move based on mouse clicks, giving you much better control over walking speed. Step 5, after changing the movement mode, click Resume or simply press the X button to close the settings menu. This saves your changes and takes you back into the game world. Step 6, finally, right-click close to your character's current position in the game. Your avatar will walk slowly to that spot, and the closer you click, the slower and smoother the movement will be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials like this.